In today's lesson, I will show you how to make your website instantly look more professional using text. So let's divine it. So hello everyone, welcome back to UGIIT. So in the previous lesson, we built the foundation of a web page using section, containers and div blocks. So now it's time to bring that structure live by adding text. So today you learn how to use heading, paragraph and text styling to create clean, readable and professional website. Let's get started. Why typography matters? So typography is one of the most important part of web design. Imagine open a website where every piece of text is the same size, the same weight and has no spacing. So it would be difficult to read and look more unprofessional. So good typography help users. Number one, read content easily, understand information faster, focus on important section, trust your website. So great design isn't just about beautiful colors, it also about clear communication. So in the previous lesson, I will add heading, paragraph and button. So now I have delete the heading. So simply click on this heading and delete and delete the heading and also the paragraph and also the heading. So now I have add a new heading. So simply click on this add element section and add the typography and add the heading from the typography section. So simply drag the heading. So here you can see the heading of the six type. So each heading has a specific purpose. So H1 so H1 is the main title of the pages. There should usually be only one H1 on each page, and H2 is used for more and H2 used for more major section, and H3 and below are used to subsection. So using heading correctly also improve your website SEO. Now so it will be the, so suppose I have add the I have add the heading one now and add the paragraph. So add the paragraph from the typography. So the paragraph are used for description and body content. Instead of writing long blocks of text, keep paragraph short and easy to scan. So this improves readability, specifically on the mobile devices. So now let's make our text block professional. So first select the heading and let's adjust for the font family. So click on the heading and go to the style panel, and here will be the spacing like margin. Here is the margin. This is the top margin and this is the bottom margin, and this is the left margin and this is the right margin, and also these are the padding of this element. So this is the left padding, this is the right padding, and this is the top padding and this is the bottom padding. And here will be the size element like width, height, and also the font family and the font weight and size and line height and color, also the alignment and also the letter spacing, text indent, also the italic, font style italic, capitalized. So also now I have add the so now I have the add of the some style of the heading. So So first I have added one class, like this is the style selector. So I have now create a one class like h heading 1. So now I have to top margin is the 0 pixel, and bottom margin suppose I have to add the 15 pixel, and also I have added the font family. So click on this, so click on this section, and suppose I have to add like um, mm, 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 mm. I have like Lato, and this is the font weight, so I have to font weight black, and also font size I have to change the font size like 48 pixel, and also the line height 1.2 em. So select this the property of the value, like I have used the em, and here is the color. So I have to create this color, and also here is the letter spacing if you are needed. So you can add the letter spacing, and also the capitalized format. So now I have to add the all capitalize, and this is the capitalize, and this is the lowercase. So now I have to edit the capitalize, and then I have to styling the paragraph also. So I have to edit the class is the like information. So I have to add the font, the monster it, the like the 400 and 16 pixel font size, and the line height 1556 em, and also I have to add the color like these colors, and I have to add the margin bottom is the 20 pixel. So this is the paragraph style. So notice how small adjustment completely change the appearance of the page. Now repeat the process of the paragraph, like large heading, small paragraph, enough spacing between them. So professional website focus on the consistency. So instead of styling every heading individually, we use the classes like like heading 1, like information. So now any element using this class will automatically share the same style. So suppose I have now add one more paragraph. So this is the paragraph. So drag on the paragraph, and this is the default style of the paragraph. So now these are this style under this class list. So now I have this information. So now how is look this? So this saves time and keep your design consistent. So we'll use class throughout this course. So it is important to understand them early. So common mistake typography. So here are some common beginners mistake, like using too many different colors, too many different fonts, making every heading huge, poor spacing between text, low color contrast, and inconsistency of font size. So a simple, consistent design almost always look more professional. So now I will recap for this lesson. So today we learn first heading element, second paragraph element, Third, typography setting. Fourth, next styling. Fifth, classes. And last, typography best practices. So now your web page does not just have a structure, it has content that looks clean and professional. In the next lesson, we will learn how to add images, icons and buttons to create a beautiful hero section. So if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our UGIIT and turn on notification. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next episode.